Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Sowmow portable oscillating desk fan. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this box open, show you, it comes with instruction manual, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. It comes nicely protected. I'm going to just show you that this is sticky, and I don't necessarily love when they do this, but it does give you that one-time stick at least. Is really going to be nice. Very sticky substance that allows you to kind of stick this on anything, which is great. Showing you that this thing will then kind of just tighten on and then loosen if I want to get the suction going. You'll just literally just turn and tighten. Then we'll have our power and then oscillating. So turning it on, comes with juice, 72%. Oscillating button. Again, can adjust as needed. We're at 72% power, 25% strength, 50% strength. Turn off the oscillating. 100% strength. And there's only kind of in between, there's no, it's very low at 1, 25, 50, 75, 100. So anyway, we'll get it fully charged up, remove some plastic here, fully charged up, take it outside, test it out for what our plan is, and go from there. So the reason I'm showing you my barbecue is because the whole idea is to kind of blow some cooler air. Hey, there's a deer. Cooler air on me while I'm barbecuing, because it gets hot, and you know, being able to plug this in and or on the wall and then just, you know, simply turn it on here is a great feature for me. And again, just being able to kind of cycle through the different speeds is awesome. So to me, the ability to kind of plant this thing anywhere is really, really great, and the flexibility to kind of move it if I want to put it on, you know, a table like that on a hot day. It's simple, it's easy, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you. And again, to remove it, all I'm going to do is just twist this and then pull that little thing. Sorry, it's a lot easier with 2 hands to remove it, and it's gone. So worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.